Sabi, unreachable, parang kasalanan ni Brownie. Unreachable, ganito, ganon. This could have been done so easily. The good boys at Peralco could have just called Al Francis Chua of Ginebra and said,
Mhm.
Boss, pwede makisuyo? Can you ask Brownlee where the hell he is and is he coming to play for us? Brownlee, imposible yung hindi sasagot kay Al Francis Chua. Team governor yun eh. They've been bound together. They had been tied to the hip for 6 championships the last 9 years, right? So close talaga. Ito employee nila, best employee nila to. So imposible hindi sasagot yan. So they could have addressed it privately. Pero kung medyo malabo na, then you go to your plan B. Nandun naman eh. Luigi Trillo himself said naka-standby si Ange Kwame. Pero inaantay pa rin nila until game kung mag-show up si Brownlee. Hope is not a strategy.
Yeah, at saka, I mean, parang it doesn't make sense para intayin na nila. Sabi mo nga, hindi nga nag-practice, tapos i-expect mo na mag-show up sa game. Kahit mag-show
Yeah,
up sa game yan, hindi nakapag-practice sa team mo, paano mo papalaruin niya kung hindi niya kabisado yung play? Tsaka yung dapat
exactly.
yung gawin. So,
Exa-